So Gav, when we supply a system for a commercial environment, we include an additional bit of kit in with the product. Can you talk us through what that kit is and why it's included?
Yeah, no problem. So what we've got here is what we refer to as our Floodsafe device. What you've got is your shut-off valve. You've then got your pressure reducing valve that is set at 3 bar. You then got your water block. With your water block, what that does, that detects any sudden bursts and flow of water. In the event of a burst pipe or something like that, this device just shuts down. The reason we specify the pressure reducing valve is that in a commercial situation and environment, it's been known that the water pressure can go up to 20 bar. And the reason for that is that if you've got different stories and floors within the building, they actually pump the water up to the top floor, and in doing that, the pressure increases. So this is like a belt and braces sort of peace of mind device really. And we sell this as standard with any product that's being sold into a commercial environment.
Okay, and what bit does that actually feed in regards to the system, Gav? Is it the whole thing or just part of it?
Yeah, it's just part of the system really. So it's basically the water that's supplying the filter system.
So the filter system and then the boiler?
Yeah.